Okay, so good morning. Let's get started. Today I have a PPT for you, and it's all about I wonder. I wonder. We'll do a little bit of textbook, just a tiny little bit. Page 122. A and then maybe C. So page 122. Okay, we'll do that first. It's usually the easiest.
Listen and speak one.
What does the girl wonder? What does the girl wonder?
What does the girl wonder?
So she says, A or B. She says, I wonder where the mountain is, or I wonder how high the mountain is. So we'll just listen and check.
We're almost at the top of the mountain.
I wonder how high this mountain is.
It's about 2,000 meters high.
Wow, this is a really high mountain.
Yes, it is. Let's keep going.
That's a really high mountain. All right, we'll go one more time.
We're almost at the top of the mountain.
I wonder how high this mountain is.
It's about 2,000 meters high.
Wow, this is a really high mountain.
Yes, it is. Let's keep going.
Okay, so which one did she say? A or B?
B.
B, right. She said,
She wonders how high the mountain is.
yeah, so she said, I wonder how high the mountain is. So let's look at I wonder. Okay, so what do you mean when they say I wonder? All right. So let's look at some I wonder examples. There we go. Here's a guy here. He's thinking about penguins. And he says, I wonder how tall penguins are. 시작.
I wonder how tall penguins are.
And here's the answer. Ooh, couple more hucks in. So this type of penguin, emperor penguins are about 1.2 meters tall. So it's like this is the question and this is the answer. Okay. Here's another example. Good. He's thinking of polar bears. If you see a polar bear, run. Sorry. Okay. So she says, I wonder how heavy polar bears are. 시작.
I wonder how heavy polar bears are.
And here's the answer. Male polar bears weigh about 450 kilograms. So they are big and dangerous. Next one. This next one makes me a little sad. He's thinking about Earth and global warming. So he wonders, I wonder how cold the Arctic is. She, Jacques.
I wonder how cold the Arctic is.
And the answer is, it's not cold. Well, it's cold, but just a little. The Arctic is only -9 Celsius right now. Not good. It should be much colder. Here, take a look. Yeah, there's the Arctic. And it's only, whoa, only -9. Yeah. And then you check out Korea, it's very hot. Well, it's hot. Yeah, and there's Korea. Oh, it's not too bad, 22. But the Arctic is very warm. It should be much colder. So next one. So he's thinking, oh, mountains, okay. She says, I wonder how tall Welchusan is. She, Jacques.
I wonder how tall Wilson is.
Yeah, how tall is it? And here's the answer. Welchusan is 809 meters tall. Okay. Now let's see if we can do a little game. It's, can you make a question? A question. So I will show you answer, and then can you make a question? Well, here's an example. Okay. All right, so here is a man. There's a man. And then this, whoa, is a blue whale. And here's the answer. The blue whale is about 25 meters long. She, Jacques?
The blue whale is about 25 meters long.
Okay. All right, morning. And now, can you make a question for this? We've got 22 students.
22 students.
Yeah.
Let me take a picture.
Sure, okay. Here, we'll just pause for a second here.
얘들아 안녕.
안녕하세요.
Okay. Thank you. Oh, and there's one more student here, 3520. He was at the bottom. He probably wasn't in your picture, but he's there. So.
What is number 20?
Yeah, 3520. He's here. So.
Oh, okay.
Gun, gun.
이건희.
He, yes, yeah. So. All right. See it?
Yep.
All right. So the answer was the blue whale is about 25 meters long. Can you make a question for this? I'll give you a hint. How long, cha-cha-cha-cha. Not sure? Here, I'll show you. How long is a blue whale? She, Jacques?
How long is a blue whale?
So here's the question, and here's the answer. Now, we're going to change this to I wonder. I wonder, blah, 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 blah. We'll just take this and put it here. So it'll look like this. I wonder how long a blue whale is. Jacques.
I wonder how long a blue whale is.
So these two are the same. And these are questions, and here's the answer. So let's try another one. The Sahara Desert. Beautiful, but dangerous. The Sahara Desert is usually 30 to 50 degrees Celsius. Jacques.
The Sahara Desert is usually 30 to 50 Celsius.
Yeah, so very, very hot. So, can you make a question? Can you make a question? How blah, 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 blah. I'll give you a hint. How hot
Is the Sahara Desert?
Yes, good, okay. How hot is the Sahara Desert, Jacques?
How hot is the Sahara Desert?
Now, let's see if we can make this I wonder. So just remember, this will go here. So what would we
I
say?
wonder how hot the Sahara Desert is.
Yes, nice. Good job. So, I wonder how hot the Sahara Desert is. So these two are the same, and that's the answer. Nice, nice. All right, let's try another one. Yeah. This is Jupiter, and Jupiter is very far away. Very far away. Jupiter is about 705 million kilometers away. That's very far away. 705 million kilometers. So, can you make a question? How I'll give you a hint. How far away? Not sure. I'll show you. How far away is Jupiter? Jacques? Oh, what happened to my microphone? Did I lose it? Oh, we'll try again. How far away is Jupiter? Jacques?
How far away is Jupiter?
Yeah. Now, let's make a I wonder.
I wonder how far away Jupiter is.
That's right. Yes, there we go. So, I wonder how far away Jupiter is. So, cha-cha-cha, same, and that's the answer. Now, let's try same thing, but new grammar. New grammar. Okay. So, here is a camel, the desert cow. Camels can go 7 months without water. Jacques?
Camels can go 7 months without water.
Yeah, 7 months, no mool. All their water's right there. So, we need a question first. So how, how, I'll give you a hint. How long? How long
Can
Yeah. How long can?
camels go without water?
Yeah, there we go. So, how long can camels go without water? That's a good question. Now let's make this I wonder. We'll have to do a change. I wonder. This will have to go here. So, what would you say? I wonder. I wonder.
How long camels can go without water?
That's right, yeah. We're just, instead of is, we're changing can. We're moving can around. So, I wonder how long camels can go without water. Okay. Let's try this one. This is my hometown. My hometown. And usually there's so much snow, sometimes you can't drive cars. You just can't. Too dangerous. No. Canada usually gets 2 meters of snow in winter. 시작.
Canada usually gets 2 meters of snow in winter.
Yeah, 2 meters of snow in winter. Yeah. All right. Now, let's start with question. How?
Deep.
Ooh, that would have been a good one. How deep? That's a good one. But think easier. How? I'll give you a hint. Yeah. How much? How much?
No.
Yeah, how much snow? Here, I'll show you. It's kind of new grammar. How much snow does Canada get in winter? 시작.
How much snow
does
does Canada get
Canada
in
get in winter?
Now for I wonder, we've got to make a small change. I wonder how much snow. This would be eh, and then this would be s. So, can you say I wonder?
I wonder how much snow Canada gets in winter.
There we go. Great, great, great. So, I wonder how much snow Canada gets in winter. Okay. So that's I wonder. We'll maybe skip this one. Well, I'll just show you real quick. We had many typhoons lately, so I wanted to make a typhoon question. This picture is the biggest typhoon ever. The biggest, strongest typhoon was Typhoon Haiyan. And that's how fast it was. So here's the question, 시작.
How strong was the biggest
Typhoon.
typhoon?
Yeah. Now let's make an I wonder. And I wonder how, yeah, this here would go back here. So, Shisha.
I wonder how
How strong
strong
the
the
Typhoon was, yeah.
typhoon was.
I wonder how strong the biggest typhoon was. How strong was the biggest typhoon? These two are the same. Same, and that's the answer. Okay. So, next part, really easy. Super easy. Yeah. Page 122. This part right here, we're gonna just skip because it's just so easy. We're just gonna do a Tpt Stop. So, here's three things. In front of, next to, and behind. 시작.
In front of, next to, behind.
Yeah. So let's take a look at these. I made a map, and here's Ryan. So Ryan is next to the post office, and the post office hospital. Okay. If this is the front of the hospital, and here's the post office, Ryan says the post office is cha-cha-cha the hospital. What does he say? Let me just go back. So we've got in front of, next to, or behind. You choose. So the post office is cha-cha-cha the hospital.
Behind.
Well, if this is front of hospital, this is the front, what is the post office?
In front of.
In front of. Okay, so the post office is in front of the hospital. Here's another example. Here's Ryan again. Bookstore. Okay. And this is the front of the bookstore. So Ryan says, I am standing cha-cha-cha the bookstore. 시작.
I am standing behind.
Yeah, this is front. So Ryan is
In front of the bookstore.
That's right. Okay, good, good. Last example. So, here's school and playground, and this is the front of the school, and this is the back of the school. And Ryan is here. So Ryan says the playground is cha-cha the school.
Behind.
Behind, that's right. Now, you can maybe say one more. The playground is behind or the school.
Next to.
Yeah. So, behind the school or maybe next to the school. They're both kind of okay. So, those are the three. In front of, next to, and behind. So, easy?
Easy.
Okay, good, good, good. And I wonder, easy or easy?
Easy.
Good, okay. All right, so I think we're all done. Yeah. So all finished. So thank you very much and have a great weekend. So, thank you and bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Right. Bye-bye.